Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Standard 12, subject Information Technology for Commerce Stream and chapter Computerized Accounting with GST. This is a new chapter which we are starting from today, and in today's session we will be studying the introduction and the working of accounting software. In this session we will be covering the following subtopics: the introduction of accounting software, advantages of computerized accounting, working of accounting software, and the process of accounting software. These four things we will be learning in today's session. So let's start. We all know that accounting is the language of business. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing transactions of financial type. And later, we interpret the results in the form of reports. So, account is the summarized record of business transactions relating to persons, properties, expenses, losses, incomes, and gains. And to maintain these books of accounts electronically, we need an accounting software. Nowadays, it is often seen that small shops or business entities, everybody uses computer softwares to maintain their books of accounts. There are different softwares available in the market. Everybody is using some other software which is feasible to their organization. A computerized accounting system is an accounting information system that processes the financial transactions and events as per generally accepted accounting principles to produce reports as per user requirements. The process of financial transactions and events goes to produce reports as per the requirements of the users in different departments in an organization. Modern computerized accounting systems are based on the concept of databases. You need a huge storage for accounting data. A database is implemented using a database management system, which is a set of computer programs or software, you can say, that manages and organizes data very effectively. What is a database? We have seen in the previous chapters also. So it provides access to the stored data by the application programs. You can retrieve previous year's reports also to see the or to compare the status of the company then and now. The user operates on such database using the required and desired interface and also takes the desired reports by suitable transformations of stored data into the information part. What is accounting software? Accounting software describes a type of application software that records and processes accounting transactions within the functional modules. All the functional part or the modules are recorded as a transaction. The functional modules are the accounts payable, accounts receivable, journal, ledger, payroll, trial balance, etc. All these will be called as the functional modules. The accounting software functions as an accounting information system which keeps a record of all these modules. In the computerized accounting, complete bookkeeping is done, which enables the user to record all types of transactions, including receipts and payments, incomes and expenses, sales and purchases, debit note, credit note, adjustment journals, memo journals, etc. So, to maintain accounts, various accounting softwares are available in the market, from which you can choose whichever is suitable to your needs. So this was in brief about the introduction to computerized accounting system and the accounting software. Now let's see some advantages of computerized accounting. Accounting software can save time and money. It is faster and it is cheaper also, and it offers you valuable and appropriate reasonable business. Apart from these, other advantages are which we are going to discuss now. The first one is speed. Data entry on the computer is so fast because everything is pre-formatted. When you take an accounting software, it is already designed. Only you should know the process, how to work on it, how it is going forward, one step by step. So in between making a sale and generating an invoice, it reduces the delays, for example, and gives fast reports. That's why we say data entry is also speedy and it gives you faster reports for making decisions also. Second one is accuracy. You can make accurate calculations automatically. When the data is fed, it is calculating automatically and eliminates all the possible errors. Minimization of error makes the system more reliable and accurate. So this is one more important feature of computerized accounting. Third one being instant access to reports. Again, these points are connected to each other. Since each transactions entered in accounting software is automatically posted to its respective account, all accounting information is always up to date. You just have to pass the entries. All the reports are automatically updated. All orders, invoices can be printed in moments. So you can have instant access to reports and you can print them also. Fourth one is security. In computerized accounting, different types of securities are provided to avoid unauthorized access of data or data tampering, you call it. Because accounts is confidential, which you do not be disclosed to anybody. Only authorized person is enabled for that information. Secure data and information can be kept confidential. So you need a security feature for your accounting file, and that is provided by the accounting softwares which are available. Next is staff motivation. Accounting departments work on smoothly and be more efficient with accounting software. There is less time spent because half of the work is done by the pre-formatted software only. So there is less time spent on data entry and compiling reports also. Next is quick decision making. Computer system generates real-time MIS reports, Management Information System reports, and ensures access to complete information instantly. This helps the managers to take difficult decisions also and different decisions on the basis of reports. So that makes it easier and quickly. And the last one is backup. Backup can be taken and stored in computers, so it becomes highly convenient. You can have an access anytime, any time and any uh, way how you want it. So these were the 7 important features of computerized accounting. Next, let's switch over to the working of the accounting software. Here you have 3 steps normally: input data, processing entries, and the output reports. Mostly all the accounting software work on these 3 things only. When you are talking about input, you will be provided with ledgers, groups, vouchers, stock items, unit of measure, go down. This all formats are inbuilt in the computerized accounting software. Formats are inbuilt. Only you have to pass data in this. Every data depends on the organization. So different types of data will be entered. Different types of ledgers will be created depending on the business you are looking for. So there are various ledgers which you can create. There are groups available. There are types of vouchers from where you can pass data in transactions. Stock items you can create if the company is inventory based. According to the stock which is bought or sold, unit of measure will be created, and go downs for storage. This all part you have to input. Then the processing will be done. The vouchers, the inventory vouchers, if there are accounting vouchers, the invoices, all this will be generated automatically, and these reports are updated. If you want a print, you can print these vouchers or invoices also, or you can print these final output reports also. So these you don't have to create. You have to input this data. This you have to partly input, and these will be automatically generated. You get no data entry in these reports. They are automatically added or done on this based on this input data which you are feeding in. So profit and loss, balance sheet, day book, trial balance, your inventory book, stock registers, the tax summary, all these reports will be readily available anytime for decision making or printing. So this is the working of the accounting software. And the last part in today's session is the process of accounting software. The accounting cycle refers to the specific task involved in completing an accounting process. It is not like directly you are starting with the software and you directly get reports. It's not like that. So there is a proper cycle where you start, how you proceed about, and what is the final stage. So it starts with recording every transaction individually and ends with a report of the company's activities. Using computerized accounting software, accountants can program cycle, dates, and receive automatic reports when and when they want. So let's go through the process in this figure. Accounting software process. In any software which you use for accounting purpose to maintain accounts on computers, first part will be after opening the software you have to create a company in that. Company will be as a file, and it will be stored in the drive where it is installed. So first part is the creation of a company. You will have to fill in all the details of the company: name, address, the email ID, what type of company you want, the financial year beginning. All this part by part we will be studying in the forthcoming sessions. Here I'll just give you a brief layout. So whatever we are creating newly, how we create a file first, same way in here this accounting software, you will be creating a company first. That is a file. Then last year's closing balances you have to update first before starting your work. They are the opening balances of this year. So you will need to create those ledgers. So second step is creation of ledgers given the appropriate groups. Groups are predefined, already inbuilt in the softwares. You have to classify your ledgers properly under the given appropriate groups. Third part is the selection of correct voucher. Now it starts with your yearly work. Whenever you are passing data entries or transactions, you have to select the correct voucher according to the transaction type, and so many vouchers are inbuilt in Tally. Do it properly. All vouchers are having their specific functions. So you have to select the correct voucher depending upon the transaction. If it is having GST, that calculation also will be defined. And finally, the posting of the transaction into the accounting or the inventory voucher. Transaction will be posted. If it is accounts, if it is inventory, there will be stock also with the taxes. And after posting, all the reports will be automatically generated. The balance sheet, income and expenditure, cash bank flow statement, the tax flows are all generated automatically. Even the inventory reports, all are showing the data as per you have fed. And finally, the printing of reports. These reports you can print. Half yearly, 3 months, yearly report. You can give the date from where to where you want to print the report, and accordingly that period report will be printed and given to you. So this is the common process of any accounting software. Proceeding will be like this: creating a new file, then you will go for ledgers. Whichever ledgers are not there, you have to create them. Then you select the vouchers, calculate, pass the entries, and all the reports will be updated and ready for printing. This is the overall process of accounting software. So this was a brief intro of today's accounting introduction, software, advantages of computerized accounting, the working and process of accounting software. Now we end up with this session, and briefly, one by one subtopic we will be going on in detail, and that will be continued in the next session. Keep learning. Thank you.